Hi there, Jessie here from Cubitt and West. Every home that we sell is in with the chance of bringing their soul board to life with their very own dog. And today I'm excited to be knocking on the door of our very first winner. Come on, Rufus, let's see if he's in. Keith, congratulations, you're our lucky winner. So, Rufus is all yours to keep. How are you feeling? Bless you, you're speechless. Well, he's all yours, so get yourself down to the pet shop and grab yourself some dog food. Amazing. Join me next week, where we'll be giving away a beautiful Dalmatian named Sid.
Achoo!